Good morning, happy Monday. This is my sales for this weekend. All of the 8 items are from Poshmark and they're from different sources, so I just wanted to share my sales. So here we go. I got these shoes for $4.99. These are Lucky Brand size 5.5 and they sold on Poshmark for $25. I have this Ted Baker men's shirt I got at the bins and they sold for $20 on Poshmark. Ted Baker's high-end brand for women's and men's clothing. I got this Zara shirt. This is originally $29.99. I sold it for $60 on Poshmark. You could actually sell these for $85 if you see this at the Zara store. They're still on sale right now. I bought this dress. It was $49.99 and it's the mesh dress that's on trend right now, and it sold for $95 on Poshmark. I bought this bathing suit right here. This is a blogger's favorite with the little seashells and a cutout design, and I paid $12.99 and it sold for I think it was like $40 on Poshmark. And then I have this dress. It's a wrap dress with polka dots and I bought it for $15.99 and I sold them for $50 on Poshmark, and it's a wrap dress. And I actually went to one store. I bought like all 4 of them, and then that day I was visiting my family, so I bypassed like 4 different stores and I bought all of them in all the other stores, and I only have like 1 extra small and 1 medium left. So I'm Bunch of Styles Closet if you're interested in those. And then the reason why it sold so fast is because it's a blogger's favorite and it's trending right now. And then these are like the higher priced items that I sold too. This is a lemon skirt. The retail price is $39.90 and then it sells for $19.99 and I sold it for $50. It was an offer given to me. So what you want to do is you want to price very high, because a lot of people on Poshmark will offer you half of what you put as your listing price. So if you price high, then you won't feel bad when you get like a $50 offer when the item is like $100. So that's the skirt, and this skirt actually comes with a top, but on the listing you would write, hey guys, I'm selling this mini maxi dress, and then you could say, please let me note there is a size small top, matching top, so that they will also go into your other listing and see if they're interested in the small top. And that's this print. And the reason why I go to the Zara sales and buy the items in the beginning of the sales instead of the end when everything's like really dirt cheap is because these items that are more expensive, they sell out like that. Like I actually saw 5 of them on the rack for the skirt, and then I went the next day and there was 1 left. So everything sold out that fast. So the Zara sales, I know a lot of people want to wait till everything's $7.99 and $9.99, but the hot trending items is what sells, and all the items that are left over are usually the items that are not trending and people don't want them, and that's why they're so price reduced. But maybe you'll get lucky and sell some of them. So that's just my personal experience. And so let me give you an example of an item that was worn by bloggers that is currently on trend and is also a good size. So this dress, if you tried this dress on, if you know this dress, I'm a size 6, which is a size small, which is like kind of really popular size in Zara, size small and medium. And this dress fit me and it's a large. So bloggers were blogging it, and the night before there was a size small and a size medium online, and then the night after was completely sold out. So I knew that this was a hot seller. So when that's the case, then you're able to even sell it for higher than the retail price. And this retailed at $49.90. It was priced at $22, I believe, and then I sold it for $50. And that's because of the right size, the right bloggers, and also it's trending. So like this style, the linen kind of styles, polka dot wrap dresses, polka dot mesh see-through tops. The reason why this is popular is because Prada has something like this and it's in black, and so that's why it's perceived as high value. So that's why you could sell something like this for $95 versus something like, you know, this, even though it's a really pretty print and it's very popular size, it's not like associated with a high-end designer brand. And so also what you want to check out in the Zara sales is something like this. This one is, there's like the higher end line of Zara is special edition or limited edition. So when you see this tag, a limited edition tag, that means that it's kind of rare and there's not a lot of them. But the problem is you have to also check that there's a lot of bloggers that are actually blogging about it. So there's a combination that you want to look for. You want to check that A, it's rare, B, the size is what is good, and C, bloggers are blogging, and D, actually D, there's a D, it's trending. So if you sell items that are in demand, the items will sell fast, sometimes even that day. And the reason why my summer sales during summer slowdown is still happening and not slow is because I'm selling items that the bloggers are blogging currently right now because there's a Zara sale. And so all their followers of like 100,000 followers or more are seeing this outfit worn by their favorite blogger that they're obsessed about. And so they go to the store online, it's sold out. They go to the store, it's out, sold out. They Google it, and then boom, Poshmark has sellers that sell it for outrageous prices, but they want to buy that item because somebody that they're in love with wore it and they think that they're gonna look like that person or whatever. I just wanted to let you know that when you sell items that are really in demand and the size is good and not a lot of sellers have it, then this is a combination for high profit, high margin sales, as well as being a sought after seller. Like, you know, you get more followers and things like that too, also because they want what's trending, what's popular, what's cool, and then a lot of people want to buy what you're selling. And also it attracts a lot more attention to not only your stores but to your Instagram, as well as it just makes you win in a lot of ways. But because it's expensive in the beginning, I always say this, is that you could look at the malls and you could see what's trending right now, and you could look for those same kind of items at the thrift store. So I'm pretty sure that you ran across an item with a polka dot in the thrift store, so you could do that, or something that's linen and kind of like this rustic style. You've seen those at the thrift stores, so you would look for those kind of items and thrift it and then sell it as an on-trend item. You might not get a blogger's favorite picture, but you could just say on-trend polka dot dress. So I hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe. And my Instagram is Bunch of Styles, and my Facebook group, it's called Bunch of Styles Christian Reselling Group. And I just want to help and empower you if you're a mother or you stay at home or you just do not like the 9-to-5 job, that this is another alternative for what you can do. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.